and welcome back to another crazy super belated Boxycharm unboxing. This one is for September of 2022, and it's the Boxycharm Premium box. We did the base box, this is the premium. But the odd thing to me is looking at the actual values of the products in here. I think this is a smaller product value than the base box was. Make it make sense. So anyway, this one has 6 products in it. And in no particular order, we're just going to start reaching in and pulling stuff out. So first thing in here, let's see, how does this open? There we go. Something like that. There. So this is the About Face by Halsey Light Lock Powder. New brand Boxy. This retails for $18. And it says an extremely refined pressed highlighter powder that delivers a translucent, smooth, glass-like finish and locks in your glow. And the color is This Bliss. Let's see, can I get it open? I'm going to cut the tape. When I properly review it, I'll pull the tab, but for right now, we're going to do it this way. Ooh, okay, so the outer packaging looks like this. A little bit like a jewel. How does this... It's kind of like slanted. Like, can you guys see that? It's like... It's weird. I'm like, how would you even grip that to open it? Like, I mean, it looks cool as shit, but in practicality, I'm like, how do I work this thing? It's a pretty color, though, so let me block out that mirror, but look at this highlighter, guys. It looks white on camera, but it's actually like a super soft gold reflect to it, even though it's a very frosty white highlighter, so I'll be interested to see how that looks on, but that's real pretty so far. Let's reclose that for now. We can just come right here, and maybe we'll review it tomorrow. Who knows? Who knows? Next up, what are you? This is the Elemis Superfood Fruit Vinegar Liquid Glow. Infused with glow-getting AHAs derived from apple vinegar, apricot, and peach, the gently exfoliating formula reveals a radiant, smoother-looking complexion with improved clarity and texture. This refreshing toner removes every trace of visible pollution and helps minimize the appearance of pores. A natural prebiotic helps support and maintain the skin's microbiome, whilst prickly pear cactus nourishes the skin with vitamin and antioxidant-rich nutrients. Mild enough for twice daily use, this glow-boosting toner leaves the skin feeling balanced and looking radiant. That sounds pretty good. So that's a thing. That's very nice. And this, what are we? What brand are we? I guess this is, the brand name is Dear Midnight. Which is funny, because I'm filming this at midnight. So anyway, this is the Star-Crossed Eyeliner Duo. It also retails for $38. This eyeliner duo contains 2 creamy, long-wearing, intensely pigmented pencil eyeliners that are perfect for creating clean, precise lines, or for using all over as an eyeshadow. So let's see what they look like. Come on out. Okay, so the colors are Blackest Night and Starlight. So Blackest Night, I would assume, is just black. I like the packaging with little stars and moons all over it. Why won't this open? My goodness. It is so stubborn. Come on, you. Okay. Very, very careful. So yeah, I was correct. It's a black eyeliner. And interestingly, it is not centered in the barrel, if you can see that. So that's a thing. I will have to be very, very uber extra careful when sharpening that. Let's see the other one. It's just as stuck. Oh, it's not white. It's silver. Okay. I can hang with that. That's pretty. Oh, I guess that should have been a tip-off. The butt end of it has the color. Well, now we know. But yeah, those will be fun. Then from Glam Glow, we have the Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. This is $32, which, man, for a cleanser that literally you're just washing your face with and rinsing off, seems like a waste, but whatever. An advanced cleanser with a powerful blend of 3 charcoals to detoxify skin by removing pore clogging debris, excess oil, and face makeup. Okay. Oh, this I am so happy that I got. I'm probably gonna, like, scrapbook the box. Can you see that? Oh, it's so cute. It's a little hippie girl. Oh, I love it. I love it so much. So this is from Benefit Cosmetics, and it's the California Kissin' Color Balm. Even the top is like in Fillmore writing. And it is in cherry. So this retails for $21. This richly pigmented, moisturizing lip balm provides up to 8 hours of smooth, luxurious color. This cushiony formula contains wild mango butter to help moisturize lips and hyaluronic acid to help keep lips feeling smooth, plump, and hydrated all day. So that's kind of cool. Let's see. Ooh, even the inside of it has flowers on it. I love it. Love, love, love it. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is so cute. It's got it on there too. That's so cute. Oh my goodness. Does it just lift off? Yeah. Okay. It's kind of like a flowery looking base on it for the shape, so kind of flower power-esque. But look at that red. Hell yeah. Does it smell like cherry? I don't think so. Like, there's a scent of something there, but I don't think it's cherry. I might be smelling the mango butter, but there's definitely a scent of something faintly in there, but it's not cherry. But that's okay. So cherry's the color, not the fragrance. Got it. And then, finally, the last thing in here is a palette. And this retails for $62. It's the Iconic London Desk to Dance Eyeshadow Palette. So, this is the perfect dance floor companion no matter where you're headed. Featuring 20 new, highly pigmented shades to suit every skin tone, it will leave you spoilt for choice. The velvety soft texture and selection of mattes, shimmers, and glitters will make your eye look pop from day to night. Okay, I'm trying to get this out. Okay. It's just the same for that. Got a big old mirror, so I'm gonna block that, but ooh. These colors, bro. So the color names first are Up Close, Don't Mind Me, Manifest, Sitting Pretty, Thriving, Oh Honey, I've Arrived, Big Flirt, Charm, My Crush, Dressed Up, Corner Office, Magnetism, Unrivaled, Booked and Busy, Going Places, Money Plant, On My Way, Power Player, and Over It. And then the colors look like this. That one in the corner there is so interesting, right? But then there's, I think one other, yeah, Manifest up here is kind of like that too. not as intensely so, but it's kind of right in there. So I'm like, interesting. I like that though. Those are really pretty. But yeah, so that's what I got in the September Premium Boxycharm box. So pretty good stuff all around. I'm pretty happy with it. So anyway, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.